In today's session, we see about the introduction to artificial neural networks. So, outline, definition, why and how are neural networks being used in solving the problems, human biological neuron, artificial neuron, and what are the applications of ANN and its comparison. So, what is the idea of ANN? So, normally neural networks learn the relationship between cause and effect or organize large volumes of data into orderly and informative patterns. So you can see the picture here. So if a person or a human being is there, or any child is asking his father, so he will answer what is that, like it is a frog, it is a lion, it is a bird, it is a frog, like that. So that is what our neural network will act, because we have our own biological network. So according to that biological network we will be acting it. Neural network. So that is an information processing paradigm inspired by the biological nervous, like our brain. So our brain, say for example, if you take our neural biological nervous system, it has a highly interconnected processing elements, neurons, which is working together. So from our experience, how do we learn? We learn by reading or we learn from the experience, right? So what is ANN? Data processing system consisting of a large number of simple highly interconnected processing elements, that is artificial neurons in an architecture inspired by the structure of the cerebral cortex of the brain. So this is an artificial neural network. Next comes the inspiration from the neurobiology. So if you take our own biological neurons, so which is present in the brain, that is human biological neuron. So you can see that you have a center nucleus, and all the dendrites are connected with an axon, and finally you can have these dendrites will be connected to other neurons. It is only one neuron I have shown here, but you have millions of neurons in our brain. So these acts as in neural networks. And what is biological neural network? So biological neural network normally, you know that we have cell body, all the dendrites and the axon. So it has some roots and it is interconnected to other everything. So all these neurons has a motor neuron. What is motor neuron? So motor neuron is, you can see the motor neuron diagram here. You will have these neurons which are connected with, these dendrites will be connected with another neurons. So input zone and output zone you will have. So this biological neuron has three types of main components, that is dendrites, soma or cell body, and axon. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons. The soma sends the incoming signals. When the sufficient input is received, the cell fires, that is, it transmit a signal over its axon to other. Thank you.